Transform your car's sound system with the 10-inch powered subwoofer, delivering 800 watts of power to fill your ride with deep, punchy bass. This slim under-seat subwoofer doesn't take up space, but adds massive impact to your audio. With a built-in amplifier, installation is a breeze. No external amp needed. You'll enjoy a 35 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, offering clean mid-bass and deep lows, ensuring every beat hits hard and clear for an immersive sound experience. Its 4-ohm impedance ensures seamless compatibility with most car, truck, and RV audio systems. Plus, the adjustable settings let you fine-tune the sound with bass boost, low-pass filter control, and input gain adjustment, giving you complete control over your audio preferences. Compact, efficient, and powerful. This under-seat subwoofer is designed with a sleek aluminum shell and is perfect for those looking to add depth and clarity to their car audio without sacrificing space. Unleash rich, clean, and immersive bass in your car with the 10-inch powered subwoofer, where powerful sound meets convenience.